In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text background color in Figjam. By the end, you'll know how to make headings, labels, and notes pop off the page with a clean, readable background, all using Figjam's built-in controls. Start by opening your Figjam file and navigating to the area where your text lives. Make sure you're on a Figjam board, not a Figma design file, so you see the Figjam styling options. Zoom in so you can clearly see both the text and the surrounding canvas. Next, select the section that contains or sits behind your content. Sections act like big, flexible containers on your board, and they're perfect for creating a consistent background behind the text. With the section selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the color controls. Choose a fill color that complements your content. You can click a preset swatch or open the color picker for a custom hue. If you're going for a subtle highlight effect, try lowering the opacity slightly so the background feels softer. If this is a header or an important callout, a bolder, more saturated color can help it stand out. The key here is setting the backdrop that your text will sit on. Now click the text box you want to style. If it's layered close to other objects, use a modifier key to cycle through selections until the text is highlighted, or click directly on the text itself. You'll see text styling options appear in the right sidebar. Choose a new color for your text that contrasts well with the background you just set. For light backgrounds, a darker text color is usually best. For darker backgrounds, choose a light or white text color. Aim for a strong contrast so your content is easy to read at a glance. If you're working with brand colors, pick a text color that aligns with your palette while maintaining accessibility. You can also fine-tune the shade or brightness in the color picker to hit that sweet spot between style and readability. That's it. You've created a colored background using a section and adjusted the text color to match. If you don't see the effect you expect, double check that the section is selected when changing the background and the text box is selected when changing the text color. A quick recap. Open your Figjam file, select the section and choose a fill color, then select your text and pick a contrasting text color. With these simple adjustments, your Figjam boards will look cleaner, clearer, and more professional.